verification and also for legality verification. So the address which the defense provided the state with was visited, and the accused, he stays at the informal settlement somewhere in Jamestown. So no one was found at the said informal settlement. It's a check. So the identity document which the accused handed into the investigating officer, it is not a South African identity document. It is a Mozambican identity document. So at this stage, the accused, he is illegal in the country. And even the address is negative. No one was found at that address.
Okay, so Armindo Phakula appeared in court today. And guess what? He told the court he wants to be moved to another prison. The reason? He says his life is in danger. According to his lawyer, Phakula has been receiving death threats and he's scared he might be killed when he's currently being held. Imagine that, ladies and gentlemen. You are accused of taking someone's life. You were brave enough to do that, but now you are scared of being unalived yourself. Crazy stuff. So the court actually agreed and ordered that he be transferred to Modapi Correctional Center for his safety. Now, something interesting that didn't come up this week but was mentioned before is that Phakula had told the court that he had gone back to Mozambique but later returned to South Africa because he was struggling. He said he was hungry and trying to survive. The state, on the other hand, maintains that he's in the country illegally and they wouldn't verify the address he gave the police. His lawyer has also indicated that he may plead guilty, but only once they've gone through the full case docket. The matter goes back to court on Wednesday, the 11th of February, where he's expected to appear with his co-accused, Victor Mthethwa Majola. So we'll see what happens next. Until next time, God bless you and ciao.